Dobrodošli nazad u part 2 tamo gdje smo stali. Hajmo da ne dužimo, već da nastavimo odmah sa igricom. Let's go, mili. Ovdje smo bili, tako? Da, to je ono, početak. Idemo gore.
Father, look.
Wait for my mark. Relax. Do not think of it as an animal. It is simply a target. Clear your mind. Steady your aim and breathe in. Exhale and release.
Nemoj.
Good.
Jadan jelen.
It's still alive.
Your knife. No. Finish what you started.
I can't.
Tužno. O. Sad smo ga najebali.
We're gonna fight that?
We have no choice.
Šta je ovo, majko moj? Pucaj gatre u sve.
Okay, just tell me what it is.
O. Odličan smo tandem, ja i moj sin. Zveknuo me kamenom u glavu. Beži, Atreus, poginućeš. Ne brini za mene, pazi na sebe.
Get control of yourself, boy.
I'm fine.
Ovo je posljednji push. Gotov si, Trollu. Jel' ovo Troll, jeste? Ajmo da ga dokrećemo. Alo, smiri se, mališa.
Think I'm afraid of you? You're nothing to me!
Boy, look at me. Look at me, boy. Boy, look at me.
We did it.
You are not ready.
Naravno da nije, mora kontrolisati svoje emocije.
Are you serious? I found the deer. I proved myself. How am I not ready?
We are going home.
I haven't been sick in a long time. I can do this.
You are not ready.
Džaba ti sve,
Do not speak again.
koliko ne vladaš sa sobom. Imamo koga smo ubili. Daudji Kapmadjr. Valjda sam, nisam dobro izgovorio, ali nema veze. Majka je uvek pričala priče o njemu, pokušavajući da me uplaši, ukoliko sam lutao daleko. Ja mislim da je ona sada ponosna na mene, ali otac misli, zato što sam malo pobesneo, da nisam spreman. Kako god. Ja sam upravo pomogao njemu da ubijemo Trolla. Ja znam da sam spreman. Majka mi je mnogo pričala mnogo priča o trollovima. Ime ovog se prevodi na smrtnog trgovca, kao death merchant. Sa tim imenom ja mislim da je sigurno da pretpostavimo da je on veoma zao. Drago mi je da smo ga ubili. Well,
Path home is this way. Duh.
bilo je ili mi njega ili on nas. Nismo imali drugog izbora. Napao nas. Šta je sad? Opet. Kako sam ga rascepio. Čoveč. Znači kad su stanovani mogu da upotrebim taj moj specijalni napad kao. Super iška. Šta je ovo ovdje? Hidden chamber.
Still can't get the doors open, huh?
Neka skrivena
Quiet.
soba, nešto. U koju očigledno ne možemo ući. Još uvek. Šta je ovo? Neki ledeni drogar sada. Ne mogu sa X-om. Hajde probamo rukama. Ruke funkcionišu. Razvalio sam ga.
I told you something was different about the forest.
Šta je ovaj stvor? Izgleda kao River, ali njegov glas zvuči tako strano. Čak ni otac ne zna. Otac je ljut na njega. Ajmo nazad u kolibu. Dosta smo se igrali.
But why would a fire troll burn Mother's garden? And since when are draugrs so close to the house? And what was that frozen thing that attacked us?
I do not know. Now be silent. We are almost home.
Mnogo pitanja, tako malo odgovora.
Inside, boy.
Čak i Kratos ne zna. Kakvu bradu ima ovaj Kratos, zavidi mu.
You lost control.
That thing was trying to kill us. It's not like you don't get angry in a fight.
Anger can be a weapon. If you control it, use it. You clearly cannot. When you...
I haven't been sick in a long time. I'm better now.
Fine. Come on then.
You want me to hit you?
I want you to try.
Ow! What are you...
Try again.
Why are you doing that?
Too slow. Try again.
Cut it out!
Weak. Again. Again.
Stop it!
Again! Your anger. You can get lost in it. The path ahead is difficult. And you, Atreus, are clearly not ready.
What was that?
Quiet.
O ne. Pretpostavljam šta je.
Come on out! There's no use hiding anymore. I know who you are.
What's going on? Do you know him?
More importantly, I know what you are.
Boy, beneath the floor. Now.
But you told me never to go down there. Who is that?
I do not know.
What's he talking about?
I do not know. Get in.
Just tell me what I want to know. No need for this to get bloody. I thought you'd be bigger. But you're definitely the one. Long way from home, aren't you?
What do you want?
Oh, you already know the answer to that.
Whatever it is you seek, I do not have it. You should move on.
And here I thought your kind was supposed to be so enlightened, so much better than us. So much smarter. And yet you hide out here in the woods. Like a coward.
You do not want this fight.
Oh. I'm pretty sure I do.
Leave my home.
You are going to have to kill me for that to happen.
I warned you.
Finally.
You would not listen.
Fine. My turn.
Ovo je neki jak.
How incredibly disappointing. Come on, then.
Što želi ovaj od mene?
Point. You bore me. Are you even trying? Come on already! Tell me what I want. Pain stops real soon. Why are there two beds in here?
Leave my
Struck a nerve, did I? Who are you hiding? Slow and old. You should never have come to Midgard.
O ne, ovaj se healuje.
Care to try again?
You talk too much.
You won't talk? Fine. Maybe whoever it is you've got stashed in that house will.
E, sad si nadrljao.
Who is it? Who are you afraid I'll find? Let's find out.
Ovo ti nije trebalo. Da vidiš pravo lice boga rata, duha Sparte. O. Dosta je bilo vreme da završimo. Ajde, ćao. Idi. Ubili smo ga. Kogod da je. Da vidimo da li je Atreus bezbedan. A? Šta je bre ovaj čovek? On ne može umreti.
When Odin sent me here, I just needed answers, but you had to act all proud. Throw whatever you have at me. I'll keep coming. That old body will give out. But before I end this, I want you to know one thing. I can't feel any of this.
On je bog koji ne osjeća bol. Spomenuo je i Odina.
This fight is pointless. Your struggle is pointless. It didn't have to be this way.
Nije trebalo, ali si ti započeo.
Pathetic. You can't win. I feel nothing. But you feel everything, yet you keep trying. I'm not my brother. And if you'd given me what I wanted, it wouldn't have ended this way. But no.
Ne znaš ti ko je Kratos.
Let's finish this. Can't beat me.
O.
can't.
O, krci gotovo. Ja mislim da si osjetio ovo. Ajde, ćao. Baš je bio naporan. Iako ne znam zbog čega je napadao, šta on želi uopšte. Nije rekao. Ajmo nazad kući. U što sam krvao gledao.
Was he? He knew me. Did he know my past? How did they find me after all this time? Faye, what do I do? Our son is not ready to carry your ashes to the top of the mountain.
Našli su te, Kratos. Izgleda su saznali za tebe i tvoju prošlost. A vidjet ćemo šta žele.
I do not know how to do this without you. But we cannot stay here.
Boy.
There was so much. I thought. You're all right.
I am all right. Come. Gather your things. We're leaving.
Thought I wasn't ready.
You are not. We have no choice now. Prove me wrong.
Yes, sir.
Nemamo drugog izbora nego da odemo. Bio ti spreman ili ne?
The mountain. It's gonna be a long trip.
Yes, but an important one.
Whoa. How did this happen?
Ne pitaj ništa. Stranac koji ima po sebi mnogo tetovaža nam je došao u kuću i napao oca. Mora da je bila veoma jaka borba. Sve je slomljeno. Otac je rekao da ja nisam spreman na ranije, ali nešto je... nešto u vezi ubistva ovog stranca je promenilo njegove misli. Pretpostavljam. Ko je on? Šta on želi s nama? Mi smo niko. Ne bih baš rekao da ste niko. Tek sledi. U redu, ljudi. Mislim da ovo je pogodan trenutak da završim ovaj part 2. Nadam se da ste uživali koliko i ja u ovom masterpisu, da kažemo. Najbolje tek predstoji. U redu, ljudi, vidimo se u part 3. Do tad, uživajte i budite mi zdravi. Ćao!